Hi, today we're looking to convert Form 1099 CAP into PDF files complete in automation. As you can see, this is a form that I have created in Notion, and once the user clicks on submit, the response will come under the responses view inside this database. I've already added two entries out of the particular form inside the database, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files complete in automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. This will help me produce PDFs and automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Notion database is what will contain all the information that we have over here, and the Google document is where we'll be editing the template to be converted to PDFs. You can use this to create any document such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you are generating on a day-to-day basis on your business with this setup. Let's click on create PDF and let's quickly sign in, and then we will see every automation step we need to take to generate the PDFs out of it. So once you log in, the very first thing which you need to do is we need to add a database for this. After that, we need to connect a document to the database, and then we need to map all the properties of the database one by one onto the document to create the PDF. So let's click on add Notion database and let us copy this database title on Notion, which we already have, which we're going to connect. So I'll just copy this title, go to the selection screen, click on select pages and put the title inside the search pages over here, and you should be able to see the particular form appear over here. Click on that and the form gets selected. So whenever you're adding any particular form or database, always enter the same inside the search pages field. Do not use this top level pages list from here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database may not be added correctly. So always enter it inside the search pages and then only add it. Alongside this, if your database contains any relation properties, so let's say form 1099 cap is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, we also need to add database A and database B over here so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear on the document. Now let's click on allow access, and I should be able to get access to the particular database over here. So if you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the form appear over here. If it is still not yet visible, click on reload database once or twice and the particular form should be appearing in the drop down after that. It is still not yet visible over here, so let me reload the database once again. So now the form 1099 cap is visible. Click on this. And now if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the database appear over here one below the other. Let's add a document to this. So let's click on add Google document. If you already have a 1099 cap existing document available, you can go with an existing document and select the document that is already available on your drive. I don't have any such document available, so I will go with a demo document instead. And if I choose a demo document, it will create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically created. So anything that you see inside double curly brackets are already the fields which are available in the database, which have been put up over here. Okay. So anything that's showing inside double curly brackets are the same fields which we're going to use to be replaced to create the PDF file out of this. If you want to manually add any property, simply click on copy and the value is copied and you can paste it onto the document anywhere. Okay. So let's say I want to add respondent, that is copied. If I want to add shareholder name, that can be copied anywhere. So you can simply use Control V or Command V and you can copy and paste the property right inside the document for your use case. Now the next thing is I need to define the PDF file name. So I can choose any particular column from here to define as PDF file. So let's say I want to select received by. So I will simply select received by from this drop down, and if I click on download PDF, it should be directly able to download the PDF right inside the database for me. Okay. So let us wait, and you can see the PDFs are getting generated. It will download the same to the downloads folder, and if any record is marked as ready to generate, the PDF will be converted and created right inside the database. So you can see it has created two documents. Let's click on this, and you should be able to see both the documents with all the fields correctly mapped. So we got both the documents created with both the fields correctly mapped as per the requirement. And now if you want to automate this entire process, you can simply click on Notion automation, and you do not need to use PDF output ever again to set up everything from scratch till the end to create a PDF. as whenever user will click on submit and a new entry will appear over here, simply mark the record as ready to generate and the PDF will directly be created inside the database for you. This makes the process really easy to follow and it is convenient as well. So whenever a new entry appears, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF gets created instantly inside the database. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you still have any questions, use this chat bubble. Send me a message with your queries on this. I'll be able to address the same. Or you can go to the bottom of the home page and find this contact window where you can send me an email with your queries and I'll be able to address the same. You can even book a free